way, bro.
And we have 30 minutes.
No way.
Go, Jaren. You can do it alone. Go,
No,
Jaren.
I need you guys to do it with me.
What? Kuya? Nadamay pa naman kami, kuya, sa tsinelas ni Jaren.
No way.
He said we all had to participate. So I was like, that's so crazy. I don't want to do it.
The best choice is no choice.
Jaren, you made so much smudges on the floor.
At the end, we're all gonna join pinky toes and then bow.
Bow.
And then bow. We are the
Teen over toast.
Over toast teens.
we're the team toes.
Teen Toes? Aba, bakit di natin kilalanin ng mga miyembro ng new group na to?
Ito po kuya, si Popoy po. Ito naman po, si Basha kuya. Galing gera po.
Kuya, ito si Pat, tapos ito si Uchi. In short, silang dalawa ay si Patucci. Hi daw, kuya. Ayot! Nag-aaway na naman.
Kuya, this is Cha-Cha and this is Rot-Rot. And together, they are Cha-Cha Rot-Rot.
Ito po si Roro, kuya. Dito po si Rara. Ano po, pinakasal po sila kahapon lang po, kuya. Tapos honeymoon po nila ngayon.
This is actually Ben and Eleven. Kuya, Ben is a pro wrestler.
Bukal ba sa inyong lahat na mapasama ngayon dito para sa tsinelas ni Jaren?
Opo kuya.
Dahil dyan, please welcome the Teen Toes.
Cycle! Cycling! Wicked! Up! Who did that?
Right, left, right, left. Now
Okay,
join
join. And then
and
bow.
bow. And clap.
Binabati ko kayo, Teen Toes. A very well toe performance. Congratulations.
Thank you, Kuya.
Jaren,
Yes po.
tingnan mo. Baka may sorpresa sa'yo sa storage room.
Sinelas nila
I
talaga.
miss you, baby. I miss you, baby.
Seems as though they never left me. I'm glad they have finally come back.
Thank you, Kuya.
O Jaren, huwag nang pakalat-kalat ang beloved chinelas, ha? Susunod!
Okay, question. Sis Evolve